Hello, I'm Iron Man. Whoosh, whoosh. Now it's time for me to save the day. Alright, so we go here and yeah. Okay. What are you creatures anyway? Let me take a closer look. Alright. We got 3 creatures. Instead of 1 or 2. Looks like we have feathers, eyes, beak, and feet. I know what they are. They're birds. Hello, birds. I'm Iron Man, and I'm a good guy. Hoo 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 hoo. Would you look at that? I just discovered birds. Birds, 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 birds. What a beauty. Birds are my fashion color. Okay, that made no sense. But birds are my thing. I like birds. Hello, birdie, birdie, birdies. Oh, whatever I did made no sense. I don't want to leave you ever again. You're so small and very cool. But a hero's gotta go. Goodbye. Or hello. Nah, I gotta go. I gotta go somewhere. See ya.